Morning, everyone. I'm just finishing up this Subaru Forester. Um, I get a lot of messages asking, as far as getting quotes, as to why it costs so much, it takes so long to do. Well, there's so many variables on that. I'm a firm believer that if you're gonna do it once right. So, just to kind of give you a quick overview on to answer all those questions. As you can see, I try to make it look as OEM as possible. I mean, that's all the power wire, all the way to the ignition harness. Um, don't worry about this, that's a siren. I'm kind of testing it out right now, but that will be loomed as well. Um, no wires will be hanging. Everything will look clean. Um, but yeah, that's kind of why I charge what I charge and why it takes me sometimes so many hours to do this. You gotta always gotta try to make it look good. But yeah, now you see it.